my love for Royal Enfield started when I saw Katrina Kaif on it. Right, I'll be very honest with it. Like, I saw this
Yeah,
movie.
everyone has their own
I
stupid
saw this
stories.
movie, and I think kudos to
In
Siddharth
fact,
Lal.
in fact, sorry to interrupt you
Yeah.
once again, but like my dad were sitting with me one day and discussing कि यार CBR 250 यार कैसी है.
Hmm.
And I am a kid who is who has just completed his 10th, and now he has choose कि मुझे डिप्लोमा करना है इन ऑटोमोबाइल्स
Hmm. Hmm.
इंजीनियरिंग, और उसके बाद मेरे जो भी आगे जर्नी रही. बट आई वॉज इन दैट स्टेज. सो आई एम लाइक कि आपको बाइक पसंद है करके. एट दैट टाइम ही यूज टू ओन करिश्मा ZMR.
Hmm.
तो बिफोर ही बॉट द ZMR, आई वॉज लाइक व्हाट इज दिस, क्या है, क्यों लेना है ऐसा. तो उन्होंने ZMR लिया. देन आई सॉ अ एड ऑफ ऋतिक रोशन,
Correct. Yes.
एंड देन आई गॉट इन्फ्लुएंस्ड. तो फिर आई वॉज लाइक सपोर्टिव टूवर्ड्स दैट वन.
Yes.
Then it was his time to get fascinated.
Yes.
So after ZMR, he thought to upgrade because that was 200cc, and that was like big fairing, small engine,
Correct.
right? So after that, he made a decision to go with a quarter liter segment. So वहाँ पे he made his mindset कि मैं जाऊँगा होंडा से BR 250 लेके आऊँगा. But meanwhile, he got distracted towards Ninja 250R.
Correct.
And then his fascination played the role. I'm glad that he made a pretty good and healthy decision.
Correct.
But this is, how fascination works. आप लेने कुछ और जाते हो, लेके
Of
कुछ
course.
और आते हो.
Of course. I'll tell you, it is
But
how you connect with the
हाँ,
masses.
हाँ. But I'm glad, and this is what I will like to give you an example with कि your life is too big. Okay?
Yes.
Climb slowly. मजा आएगा वो जाने
Correct.
में.
Correct. The journey is
Exactly.
always exciting.
It's like if you buy 200 or 250cc मोटरसाइकिल, एक बार आपने ले लिया, उसके बाद में अगर आपने लीटर क्लास ले लिया तो उसे हैंडल करना, चलाना, टेम करना, एवरीथिंग इज डिफिकल्ट एंड प्रोबेबली लेट्स से इम्पॉसिबल फॉर वेरी फ्यू. बट इट्स नॉट लाइक कि आप नहीं ही कर पाओगे, चलो कर भी लोगे, बट वो जो मजा है ना,
वो नहीं, वो
वो
सही है. That is
इट्स
what
लाइक कि अच्छा इसमें है
the
खत्म, वो
graduation, the
खत्म हो जाएगा
the
फ्लो आपका.
process of graduation is then
Is
is taken
important.
away. Anyways, so this was so again, marketing of the
Hmm.
product is also very
Hmm.
important, and that I think the movie was called Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara,
Yes.
where she asks, like, do you still ride the motorcycle, and then she takes
Yes,
the
yes,
keys
yes,
and
yes,
she
yes,
goes
yes.
behind
And goes and
the
kissing
hero,
scene
and
and
yeah.
everything. Yeah.
So that bike, and when you see when that is when I really, and I think the marketing team at deserves, I think, a phenomenal raise if if this goes to Siddharth Lal. बॉस, क्या स्ट्रैटेजी है यार, मतलब हाउ डिड यू, लाइक, मैं तो सिंपल बता रहा हूँ. यू कुड हैव हैड फरहान अख्तर, you could have had Abhay Deol sit on the bike and
But
ride.
you gave
You
it
could
to
have had
Katrina Kaif.
Hrithik Roshan sit on the bike and ride.
Ah,
You give the bike to Katrina Kaif at that point, and I think she still
that
looks
was a
stunning.
brave step in terms of
Wow! And I
marketing
was like, यार ये
and
हो गया.
surprising.
And what did it मतलब, अगर अपने मार्केटिंग के हिसाब से अगर देखते हैं तो क्या दिखा उसके अंदर कि एक
Yes.
लड़की भी रॉयल एनफील्ड चला सकती है.
Exactly.
Because Royal Enfield had that crazy notion that
Yes.
they are heavy, they are very difficult to ride, and
Hmm.
they broke that.
Symbol of muscularity.
Exactly.
Hmm.
And वो उसने तोड़ दिया,
Hmm.
एक झटके में
Yes.
तोड़ दिया.
That was like pinpointing, girls.
Exactly.
कि if
कि यार
Katrina can, why you can't?
तुम क्यों नहीं चला सकते?
Exactly.
Of course. तो वही था कि that created that whole demand, and it really jump started a revolution, I guess. बिकॉज
Hmm.
उसके बाद रॉयल एनफील्ड ने जो काम किया है, आई थिंक
Hmm.
10 साल में दे हैव रीच्ड अ पोजीशन
Yes.
वेयर यू नो even Triumph, they came up with a competitive bike to the brand. They are not anywhere near of what their sales figures are,
Hmm.
and this is across India.
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
even though they have made a flawless motorcycle,
Hmm,
because
hmm.
you don't, you're not in the last 1 year, you've not heard any recall, or in that matter any issues with the Speed 400 and the Scrambler 400. एक फुल प्रूफ बोलते हैं ना, फर्स्ट मतलब एक पहला बाइक निकाला, सही बाइक निकाला, ऑलमोस्ट नेक्स्ट टू जीरो फॉल्ट्स, 99% प्रॉपर बाइक था.
Correct.
But still you are like, not there, like you're not, okay, why? So that why is because एक cult factor, एक marketing strategy, एक, it becomes a household name.
See, it's like what I feel, that we live in a country
Hmm.
जहाँ पे आप जाके किसी को बोलो कि ये रही मेरी चाबी, जाके मेरा मोपेड लेके आओ.
हाँ,
People will not understand.
एक्टिवा लेके आओ.
Exactly,
Exactly. सही
exactly.
है.
And Royal Enfield has a very vital role. आज उनका जो सेल्स फिगर है, उनका मार्केट है, इज कि उन्होंने अपनी एक बाइक की आइडेंटिटी, या फिर उन्होंने अपनी कंपनी की आइडेंटिटी, या फिर अब जो भी गिनो कि
Hmm,
दिस इज
hmm,
रॉयल, दिस इज मस्कुलिन,
hmm,
दिस इज हैवी, दिस इज बिल्ड फॉर पीपल हु आर हैविंग स्ट्रेंथ, दिस हैज दिस ह्यूज वाइब्रेशन,
hmm.
दिस इज सिंपल
Correct,
मिनिमलिस्टिक.
correct.
तो वो उन्होंने बहुत स्ट्रांग रखा है.
जी.
बट व्हाट आई बिलीव इज कि अगर उनका वो मार्केटिंग मार्केटिंग अगर निकाल दिया जाए, तो दैट इज नॉट अ that much deserving, or उतना.
Of course, it's a well marketed product. Like,
Exactly, it's just a well marketed
it
product.
is it's a brilliantly marketed product.
Yeah,
They
but
have,
only brilliantly marketed, not engineerized.
correct. They of course grew. Like
Exactly.
धीरे धीरे उनका जो
Yes,
first.
but again, sorry to interrupt you again. Even they are growing, okay.
Yeah.
But even if they are having this huge market, selling this much number of motorcycles, I will like to say this thought of mine which I have observed, कि वो कंपनी के पास कहीं ना कहीं आगे जाके क्या करना, उसका वो स्टेट ऑफ माइंड अभी भी उनका क्लियर नहीं है. और इतने बड़े गेटिंग दिस मच अमाउंट ऑफ फाइनेंसेस,
Hmm.
and not working hardcore on engineering side,
Hmm.
that is a big drawback for them.
They eventually.
And eventually in future that
Oh,
might hit
yeah,
them.
might hit them. Correct. But for now,
It is not
they are
doing.
ruling the
Yeah, yes,
350,
yes,
450 cc
absolutely,
motorcycles.
absolutely.
And they're moving brilliantly.
Hmm.
They are doing absolutely wonderful.
Yes.
And I think they are the market leaders.
It's like Bajaj also said, हाथी मत पालो, but still people are
People पाल
हाथी
रहे हैं,
चाहिए.
हाँ
हाँ.
पाल रहे हैं, correct है वो. उसमें there is, you can't break it, you,
हाँ,
because
exactly.
they've embedded so deep,
Exactly.
and they have also taken a lot of time.
Hmm.